Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rama Hayati binti Rozali. So I will talk about introduction. Our group was given the task of conducting an online interview with a company. So the purpose of interview that to gain a deeper understanding of machine manufacturing and how they produce the machines. So our group interviewed together with Pentamaster Corporation Berhad Company on 24 December 2023 from 10:12 p.m. to 11 p.m. Our group started the online interview session together with Mr. Amirul Ashraf bin Ismail as an engineer operator of Pentamaster Corporation Berhad. We also asked some questions regarding our needs to complete the manufacturing process group assignment.
This company is a company with numerous manufacturing process application because it produces custom machine as designed and requested by client from various industries. From our interview session with one of the operator engineer from the company, we managed to obtain information regarding the working system of the company, the system precautions, practice, and some tips to excel when working in the same industries.
Let's go through for our objectives of this group assignment. Firstly, the company business is to gain knowledge about a different manufacturing machines that are produced by various companies, and it is necessary to conduct an identification process. Then the working system have the ability to conduct research and recognize operational protocols within the organization. The work environment to gain knowledge about the environment while working in a machine manufacturing company and its various aspects. Last but not least, tips and advice when working in that particular industry that will be useful for yearly exposure to students in future industrial training. Well, since the interview session was conducted online and the internet connection was unstable periodically, so we add with a request from the interviewee that was not to ask too many questions. So we were able to gain a handful of useful information, and we need to complete our research by investigating additional information throughout the internet. That's all from me. Thank you. For the main business in this company, the system utilized in Pentamaster Corporation Berhad provides an integrated range of innovative service in manufacturing of automated and semi-automated machinery and equipment. The company provides high quality, reliable, cost-effective products and value-added service, as well as providing optimum benefit and satisfaction to their customers. There are four main solutions in this company, which are semiconductor and MEMS sensor, optics and photonic sensor, factory automation solutions, and medical industry solutions.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Hafiz. I will continue about a company working system. There are three stages of a working system. First stage is design. Company staff and client will suggest some drawing design for the machine. They will analyze and choose the design to have suitable size and operation. Next, we go to next stage is manufacturing. After the design, the production staff will discuss with each other to use some manufacturing method, such as joining process, modeling, casting, milling, and other methods to create machine effectively. And last stage is assembly. The next thing will assemble all the parts refer to the drawing design at the first stage. In this stage, if a client or engineer has some idea to modify some part to improve the machine, they can check and discuss with each other to create a machine suitable for the client.
From activities, now I will talk about the operation of manufacturing process. First, we have design and planning. The engineers and designers will create detailed plans and specifications for the product. Number two, we have material selection. Workers will be selecting the appropriate raw materials based on the product requirement and design specification outlined by clients. Number three, material preparation. Raw materials are prepared for the manufacturing process for cutting, shaping, or other process to make them suitable for the next step. Number four, machining. Machining process such as milling, turning, drilling, and grinding are used to shape and refine the materials into the desired components. Number five, assembly. Components are assembled to create the final products. This can involve manual labor or automated assembly lines. Number six, quality control. Inspection and testing are crucial steps to ensure that the manufactured products meet the requirement standards and specifications. Number seven, finishing. Surface finishing process such as painting, coating, or polishing are applied to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of the product. Number eight, maintenance and support. Ongoing maintenance and support may be provided for the manufactured products, especially in industry with complex machinery or equipment. And automation. Many modern manufacturing processes incorporate automation to increase efficiency and reduce human intervention. And lastly, continuous improvement. Manufacturers often engage in continuous improvement process to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality of their products. Now I will talk about expertise required. First, industry expertise. In-depth specialized knowledge of the industry acquired through experience, education, and a keen awareness of sector dynamics, trends, and issues. Number two, financial expertise. Through grasp of financial concept, principle, and practice, covering personal finance, investment, corporate finance, financial markets, and economic variables. The three strategic expertise, high-level knowledge, skills, and experience in developing and implementing strategic plans for organization or individuals. And lastly, number four, lifelong learning and development. Emphasize that expertise is a continuous, lifelong process requiring perseverance, a passion for perfection, and a readiness to adapt.
Okay, for the safety environmental consideration, first, we use PPE, which is personal protective equipment. Uh, it was put to use when working in order to avoid injuries or accidents. Okay, next is safety boots. Safety boots are worn when operating machine or working in the production line to avoid electrical conductivity. So the last one is bypass doors. Bypass doors like disable a machine from function is if an external unknown factor was present in the machine. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Hadi and I am going to present the findings from the interview session. The questions can be seen in the presentation slide and I will briefly explain the answers in simpler terms. The company's name is Pentamaster Corporation Berhad, headquartered in Penang, Malaysia. They produce custom machines with specified functions and design as requested by their clients. The name of the interviewee is Mr. Amirul Ashraf, and he is the operating engineer of the company who works in the production line. As shared by Mr. Amirul, practical schedule management is how the company oversees the efficiency of their production line. To ensure safety and comfortability of the work environment, workers are always reminded to put on their safety equipment before starting their operation. After each products are complete, the quality assurance team will inspect the product to check if it met the expected quality and customer requirement, safe to use, and practical in the client's industry. An accident once happened in the company regarding an exposed machine. Since then, the use of bypass doors has been enforced to ensure the same accident will never happen again. Some preparations worth making before joining this type of industry is to excel in mechanical and electrical engineering to ensure proper understanding of the work and enable oneself to build machines accurately and successfully. Other than that, acing AutoCAD can also ease the job since the initial step of developing products is by understanding the drawings and concept design prepared by clients. 2 to 3 years of working experience is estimated to be sufficient in order to get a person to get fully familiar with the job. One of Mr. Amirul's most unforgettable experience when working with the company is when they are setting up a machine in China and got to experience their working environment and learn a lot of new things. Finally, moving on to the last part of the question are the tips shared by Mr. Amirul for people who wants to join this industry. Some tips shared by Mr. Amirul is that first, they need to have deep interest in machines and technicals to avoid boredom. Next, patience is crucial since working can be tiring and facing various people with various attitudes every day can be quite challenging. Last but not least, curiosity should be encouraged to motivate workers to learn and explore new things every day, which will significantly improve our mood when working and lead to increased performance.
Last but not least, for the conclusion. In conclusion, the finding of this interview session has covered the capability of Pentamaster Cockpit Berhad and validated the work that this company will execute throughout the span of 32 years. Various manufacturing processes are being utilized in this company when producing their product, which lead to the success of this company to accurately build machine and meet the customer requirement safe and practical.